Good morning, traders. This is Alla on March 8th. Today is the last day trading room open until March 26th. We're closing for Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp for intense 10 days learning educational workshop that's part of Fibonacci Mastery course, where you learn proprietary Fibonacci strategies, where you learn Genesis strategies that's not part of the course. This is S&P this week. This is very powerful reminder. If you learn proprietary Fibonacci strategies and you know where trend inception is at reversal zone and rules are met, take a trade. The power of the method is especially in trend inception. This is where buyers stepped in from on March 4th. This is what we dealt with on March 6th, this ultimate Fibonacci resistance and this support. This is where price once again reminded you. If rules are met at Fibonacci support, take a trade. This morning we're dealing, however, with very different case scenario. This morning we're dealing with overextended Fibonacci rally and market dancing at this resistance. Exact same bright pink line that's testing your ultimate knowledge. When not to trade. This is S&P this morning. This is ultimate correction. This is ultimate broker's heaven. This is when the only one who is making money is your broker. As long as buyers continue domineering market at this resistance, we have zero interest in this market. Narrow chop, buyers remain fully in charge. We're only interested in this market if price will retrace until at least here. As knowledgeable trader buys at support, never into resistance. This is exact same dance S&P had done on Euro. This is a chart that has identical strategy, except this is long-term investment decision on Euro. This is monthly chart on Euro since June 2016 that's shown you. When ultimate support is present, monitor for trend inception. This is where Euro skyrocketed from, and this is what continues in a play on any instrument you will choose to trade. This is Euro monthly now. Remember this bullish rally? No surprise. Euro currently at 23.75. Skyrocketed from exact same Fibonacci support, where S&P this morning, except its ultimate resistance. This is exact same formula on Apple Weekly, where Apple had been frozen for months. Identical strategy, except if you're trading Apple Weekly, you're holding position for weeks and months. This is what you're witnessing to the tick on S&P right now, when S&P remains in ultimate pain. Doesn't matter if you trade 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11 minute chart. That's the reason trading room open, so you can see the accuracy of the method in live markets. All the way to 1 minute chart. Identical formula. Level identified well before trading room open, as we discussed with students. Ultimate resistance in a play, not the place to buy. Remember this on Amazon? Ultimate resistance early this year. Price struggled immensely to break through. No surprise whatsoever. Identical formula. How did I know that Amazon would break through this level? It's only the end of the minor trend. This is where Amazon is now. Finally, after struggling for weeks, blasted through. Anyone surprised where Amazon is heading to? Exact same formula we discussed on S&P. Except what is extremely important to remember, never ever 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 enter into ultimate Fibonacci resistance. Knowing quite well that with high 90% probability price is heading drastically higher, knowledgeable trader never enters near this level. And that's what happened on S&P in June 2015. Identical formula. Absolutely no surprise whatsoever. Ultimate Fibonacci resistance in a play. And that's exact same formula that happened on McDonald's daily. Identical strategy. Price action remains the same everywhere. Which instrument you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. And this is the exact same formula that's playing out currently on VIX. Ultimate bullish rally from exact same support where Euro had rallied, as price action remains the same. All we need for S&P to retrace down to support. If you choose to buy into resistance, this is picture perfect reminder. Every single trade fails. Rules not met. No bullish entries. Market testing you for knowledge of the rules. And that's in a play right now. And that's exact same formula that's playing out on WYNN. Look at that. Ultimate war zone, ultimate reminder. Fibonacci resistance present, do not enter into it. Buy as low as possible, never into resistance. On WYNN we are witnessing buyers domineering the market. This resistance not letting price through since early February. And that's identical pickle on S&P. No matter if you trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11-minute chart, no matter if you trade Forex, stocks or options, choice is yours. Price action remains the same. The only difference, risk management and trader psychology. What instrument appropriate for you? What instrument appropriate for your account size? Only you know. Learn the method and decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. And that's what we're dealing with. Ultimate resistance. Very different market structures than one on Monday. Ultimate trend inception. Ultimate bullish point of entry when rules are met. And that's exact same dance we witnessed on S&P weekly. Do you remember this? Where bullish rally on S&P had started in 2016? Ultimate trend inception, look at that. Everyone remembers that? Famous 1800 number. And ultimate resistance, where S&P struggled to break through for more than 6 months. And what S&P doing right now is simply flawless timing for Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Because bullish trend inception, bullish rally reached ultimate institutional trend exhaustion. Being in Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp at the time when we have historical formations on the indexes would make Bootcamp that much more interesting. And that's the reason we are closing Trading Room as of this Monday. So, if you're joining us in Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp, this is Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp number 12 in 8 years of the website. I have absolutely no plans for another Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp this year, period. Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp Fee of $888 included in the course fee. Group course 8 weeks includes Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Private mentoring 16 weeks includes Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp for new students. We're down to 2 spaces only. All classes are live. 2 weeks of Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp give you more education than 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks in the course, which depends on market volatility and market formations when we are in a bootcamp. Bootcamp, March 12th through 23rd. Every single minute in the bootcamp, 2-3 hours per day, you will be learning. Pure price and Fibonacci, you will be learning powerful trend inception entries, powerful trend continuation entries, and most importantly, when not to trade. Most importantly, what you're witnessing on S&P this morning. Look at this market. This is what your trading career must start from: when not to trade, when not to make your broker happy. Price will continue doing this, and you are not touching the market. You are ultimate knowledgeable trader. In the bootcamp, you're also learning strategy that's not part of regular course. Genesis strategy, that's additional strategy you can add to your trading portfolio. Every single strategy applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform, as long as it has a price. If you're interested in joining us, you can still sign up. So please review the information on the website and, most importantly, listen to the graduates of the course as students from beginner to hedge fund trader trading the method in US and globally. So if you review all the information on the website and listen to the graduates of the course, never hesitate to contact me. All the information on the Contact Us page, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Look forward to seeing you in a bootcamp. All the information on the Learn.